At the Saha Expo 2024 in Istanbul, Turkey introduced an amazing military invention, the Sarbot, developed by Sarılmaz Defense. This autonomous armed robot is designed for high-risk environments, combining mobility, firepower, and advanced AI to perform reconnaissance, perimeter security, and combat support. Built using locally developed mechatronics systems, Sarbot strengthens Turkey's defense independence, showcasing its commitment to advanced military technology. Its ability to navigate hostile terrains while ensuring precise and efficient operations makes it a game-changer in modern warfare. The B-21 Raider, developed by Northrop Grumman for the U.S. Air Force, is a next-generation stealth bomber designed for both conventional and nuclear warfare. As part of the Long Range Strike Bomber (LRSB) program, it's set to replace aging bombers like the B-1 Lancer and B-2 Spirit by 2040. With cutting-edge stealth technology, the B-21 can penetrate advanced enemy defenses, ensuring air superiority for decades. Named after the Doolittle Raiders of World War II, this bomber represents a major leap in modern aerial warfare, securing America's dominance in global military strategy. Hypersonic missiles are revolutionizing modern military warfare, reaching speeds above Mach 5, making them nearly impossible to detect and intercept. Unlike traditional ballistic missiles, they maneuver mid-flight, avoiding radar detection and enhancing strike precision. These high-speed weapons can carry both nuclear and conventional warheads, posing a serious challenge to global security. Leading nations like the US, Russia, and China are investing in hypersonic technology, fueling a new arms race. Their ability to strike with minimal warning is reshaping global defense strategies, making them one of the most feared military inventions today. The DJI Matrice 4 series, featuring the Matrice 4T and Matrice 4E, is revolutionizing aerial surveillance and defense. These drones are equipped with AI-powered detection, laser rangefinders, and multi-sensor technology, allowing for advanced mapping, reconnaissance, and emergency response. The Matrice 4T is ideal for public safety and disaster management, while the Matrice 4E excels in surveying, construction, and inspections. With intelligent flight systems, these drones set a new standard for military and industrial applications, enhancing situational awareness and operational efficiency in complex missions. Few attack helicopters match the legendary AH-64 Apache, developed by Boeing for the U.S. Army. Armed with a 30mm chain gun, AGM-114 Hellfire missiles, and Hydra 70 rockets, it delivers precise, high-impact strikes on enemy targets. Its night vision sensors, advanced target acquisition, and all-weather capability make it a dominant force on the battlefield. With a tandem cockpit designed for a two-person crew, the Apache has been in service since 1986, continuously evolving with cutting-edge upgrades. Renowned for its combat effectiveness and survivability, it remains an indispensable asset in modern military operations. The Elbit system's Trident is a lightweight, modular target acquisition suite designed for dismounted soldiers and special operations teams. This AI-powered system enhances accuracy, fire support, and intelligence gathering, significantly reducing the sensor-to-shooter time. Controlled via a host computer, Trident provides real-time target coordinates while staying completely passive to avoid detection. It integrates seamlessly with modern battle management systems, ensuring enhanced situational awareness for ground troops. Whether for special forces or frontline combat, Trident delivers next-level precision and operational effectiveness, making it a must-have for modern military forces. Clearing the battlefield of mines and obstacles is one of the most dangerous military tasks, but the Rheinmetall Keiler next generation makes it fast and efficient. Built on the Kodiak Armored Engineer Vehicle chassis from the Leopard 2 family, this amazing invention moves at speeds of 65 km per hour, climbs up to 90 centimeters, and crosses trenches over 2.5 meters wide. Its M-Plow, rocket-assisted detonation cord system, and lane marking tech ensure rapid and effective mine clearance. With ROSI Rapid Obscurance System for concealment and a 12.7mm remote-controlled weapon station, it also provides self-defense in combat zones, making it a game-changer for modern military operations. Naval forces are stepping up their anti-submarine warfare with the VSR-700, an advanced UAV from Airbus helicopters. Designed for vertical takeoff and landing, this cutting-edge drone supports naval operations by deploying sonar barriers, detecting periscopes, and tracking enemy submarines with high-tech radar and electro-optical sensors. Its low noise profile and long endurance make it perfect for stealth missions at sea. The VSR 700 enhances maritime defense capabilities, ensuring superior underwater security and real-time intelligence. With naval threats constantly evolving, this amazing military invention is redefining modern naval warfare. Underwater threats demand multi-layered defense, and the Elbit system's holistic underwater dominance solution delivers just that. This high-tech system integrates low-frequency sonars for early detection, tactical sonar layers for identifying threats, and Seagull USV-based interception for precision strikes. Controlled by an advanced naval combat management system, it offers unmatched situational awareness in both deep sea and coastal environments. With superior detection, tracking, and neutralization capabilities, it ensures total underwater dominance, giving naval forces a critical edge in maritime security. Jamming enemy radars and communications is essential in electronic warfare, and Leonardo BriteStorm does it like no other. This compact and lightweight jammer is perfect for drones, UAVs, and loitering munitions, using advanced digital RF memory technology to confuse and disrupt enemy air defenses. Its flexible and modular design allows it to be deployed in multiple combat scenarios, ensuring air superiority. With powerful deception techniques and real-time adaptability, BriteStorm is an essential tool for modern military operations, providing unmatched battlefield protection. When it comes to armored vehicle safety, 360-degree situational awareness is a must, and the Hensoldt Setas see-through armor system delivers exactly that. Using high-resolution visual and thermal cameras, it allows crew members to see threats like snipers and RPGs from over 300 meters away without ever leaving the safety of their vehicle. This modular system integrates seamlessly with various platforms, improving crew survival and battlefield awareness. As modern warfare evolves, Setas ensures armored vehicles remain one step ahead, making it an indispensable military invention. The Elbit system's PULS, Precise and Universal Launching System, is a next-generation artillery system built for highly precise long-range attacks. Capable of firing multiple rocket types with ranges up to 300 kilometers, it provides unmatched flexibility and firepower. The system supports Keiler 122mm 35 km, Keiler 160mm 40 km extra 150 km, and Predator Hawk 300 km rockets, making it incredibly versatile. Fully autonomous, it can complete fire missions in under a minute while seamlessly integrating with existing platforms. With its cost-effective operation and advanced capabilities, PULS is a game-changer in modern artillery warfare. Drones are becoming an increasing threat, and stopping them requires smart technology. Enter MeduzaX, an optical drone detection system with fast, 360-degree scanning in just seconds. Using a unique mirror-based technique, it can accurately detect and track drones while filtering out birds and other objects. Weighing just 12 kilograms, it's highly portable, making it ideal for special forces, convoys, VIP protection, and counter-espionage. With high-precision sensors and edge computing, MeduzaX delivers minimal false alarms, ensuring military forces stay ahead in modern warfare. Surveillance and search and rescue missions just got a massive upgrade with the Autel Dragonfish, a fixed-wing drone series designed for unparalleled performance. Featuring a tilt-rotor design, it combines the efficiency of a fixed-wing aircraft with the versatility of a quadcopter. With modular payloads, AI-powered tracking, and waterproof construction, it can handle extreme environments. Depending on the model, the Dragonfish can stay in the air for up to 180 minutes and reach speeds of 108 km per hour. Whether for military reconnaissance, disaster response, or law enforcement, this amazing military invention is redefining drone technology.